Assalamu alaikum students, hope you will be fine and enjoying good health. Let's start today's lesson from page number 10. It's exercise of unit number 1. Let's start from exercise D, learning to write. This exercise is related to syllables. First of all, let's know what is a syllable. A syllable is a word or part of a word with one vowel sound. Now let's move towards the book and let's see how to divide a word into different syllables. Now let's read the information that has been written here about the multi-syllable words. Multi-syllable words have more than one syllable. Now let's move towards the exercise. Read the given words with their syllable division. Here is model. It has two syllables, model. Tolerance. It has three syllables, tolerance. Personality. It has 5 syllables, personality. This word forgiveness has 3 syllables, forgiveness. The last word is beautiful and it has 3 syllables, beautiful. Here notice one thing, that each syllable has a vowel sound. Now let's move towards the next exercise. Divide the given words into their syllables and also write the number of syllables in your notebook. The first word is vegetable. It has 4 syllables. Vegetable. The next word is project. It has 2 syllables. Project. The third word is complete and it has 2 syllables. Complete. And the fourth word is computer and it has 3 syllables. Computer. The last word is mountain and it has 2 syllables, mountain. Now write these words by dividing into syllables in your notebook. Come to page number 11, exercise 3. Read the first paragraph of the lesson carefully. Write its topic sentence and supporting details in your notebook. Also write its main idea in your own words using correct capitalization. This is the first paragraph. Read it out again. Find out the topic sentence, supporting details, and main idea of the paragraph. For your help and understanding, I will do paragraph number 2. Let's read the paragraph and find out topic sentence, supporting details, and main idea of the paragraph. First, let's read the paragraph. He, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, is the only personality who is complete in all aspects. Hazrat Muhammad Rasulullah Khataman Nabiyyin sallallahu alaihi wasallam was called Sadiq and Al-Amin for his honest nature. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam always spoke the truth without considering the consequences. The topic sentence is the very first one, which is telling about the personality of Holy Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So this is the topic, the personality of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and the rest 2 sentences are the supporting sentences. They are providing supporting details that what kind of personality was of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. That he was Sadiq and Amin. He was having honest nature. He always spoke truth. These are the supporting details. Now let's find out the main idea of the whole paragraph. The main idea of this paragraph is that the personality of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was complete in all aspects and he was a strong and truthful person. Page number 11, exercise 2, creative writing. Write in your notebook some good qualities which you can show in school or classroom. Also write how they would help you in becoming a better person. Use correct punctuation and spelling. Now first of all, write a few qualities in these given blanks which you want to adopt or you think that they must be the part of your personality. For example, honesty, truthfulness, patience, love, kindness, care. These are a few qualities which you can or you would like to adopt. After that, write a paragraph in your notebook, that will be your homework, in which you will describe that which qualities do you want to adopt and how these qualities will help you to become a better person. Do this on your notebook. Thank you for listening. Allah Hafiz.